Hey guys, Jace here from ADV HQ, and today we're gonna do a quick walk around of our new old car, 2013 BT50. I've just parted ways with my trusty old RA Rodeo that I'd previously owned for about 13 years. It was the most boringly reliable, but being non-common rail, it really didn't tow well when towing more than say 750 kilos. This beast of a car is the complete opposite end of the spectrum. So power is insane. I just hope it proves to be reasonably reliable at the same time. So my rundown won't be too technical. I'm honestly just not that clever at it, but I will cover most of the features. So first of all, the bronzy color, I absolutely love it. I believe it's been ceramic coated. And yeah, we'll make our way from the front. Heading up front, we've got the X-Rocks bull bar, the winch, and a smorgasbord of fog lights, spotties, small light bar, and the large light bar up on the roof. I believe it's got a 2 to 3 inch lift, front and rear. And the wheels are 16-inch steelies, and they're covered with General Grappler 285 75 R16. Pretty aggressive all-terrain tyres. It's also got your custom-made rock sliders there, which are a really nice touch. But for me and my family, it'd probably be nice if you could actually get a foot onto them and step in, but they're a bit too close to do that. It also has the custom 4-inch stainless snorkel, which sounds pretty wild. Certainly adds a huge drum to the note of the car. One thing I'll talk about after is though it's become a real problem when I've wanted to put a roof rack on, which I'll come to a bit later on. The motor has a bigger intercooler, turbo and injectors, as well as a few other mods done underneath, such as catch can and that. It has been remapped to give more power. I think it's had the race tune. It's quite quick. But it is manageable around town, especially with an older, more sensible driver like myself, but you probably wouldn't want to put it in the hands of a 20-year-old hoon. I've also added the trans oil cooler and the bypass fitted to prevent the Falcon milkshake from happening sometime down the point, hopefully. Okay, moving on to the feature that really drew me into buying this car is that awesome canopy. It's a bloody ripper. It's a Norweld tray and canopy combo, and it's pretty awesome. I'll quickly zip around and do the 30-second awning, so just give us about 60 seconds for that. How's that, hey? Probably about a minute, I guess, just under. So here we go. On this side of the canopy, we have our two 100 amp hour lithium batteries. Bushman's 130 litre upright fridge, perfect for keeping a few coldies on the ready. Overhead storage, open storage. It's about 1 metre or so deep. And we've got this awesome drawer, which pretty much comes out most of the way. Really cool bench that you can work with. Map of Australia there, could talk for hours about. And yeah, just a really cool combination of drawers, storage, fridge. I love it. And it's got the light up here as well. So it's really cool. I love it. So around the back here, we've got a full-length trundle drawer system. Future plans are to put a covering over the top so you can use this as an extra bench table. Awesome. I wish I had one on the Rodeo. You just couldn't fit one. Just wasn't possible. It's got your jerry can holder, ladder. Really cool. There we go. Full ladder, straight up. And obviously it's got your spare tyre. And all that fits within the tray's dimensions too, which is cool. Lock that up before I forget, drive off. And just yesterday I had a reverse camera installed. It's a cheapish gator that replaces your rear vision mirror and seems to work flawlessly so far. Nice and clear, and it's adjustable with the viewing via the touchscreen on the mirror. On top, we've got like a roof rack that's got mesh screening and a 200-watt solar panel. Okay, moving around to this side of the canopy, we have our DC charger that's charging while the car's running, and also the solar input. We have our 2000-watt inverter. We've got some 12-volt plugs, our voltage meter, and a Selfie, which boosts your Telstra signal. I'm with Aldi, but that's Telstra. We'll see if it works. And a full-length drawer, so it's all lockable. So we've got a full-length drawer system there. Awesome, again. Really love how it's got that balance of drawers and open storage. I'm really thinking it's going to suit me again. It's got another light up there. So, love it. The tray also has a built-in 40-50 litre water tank here, which is gravity fed. And built into the tray also, it has these under tray boxes. You can see I can fit my air compressor in and a couple of straps on this side. And on the other side, I have some basic tools and straps. So really convenient for your dirty stuff and that, yeah, easy to get to. So I had plans for tomorrow to get a Rhino platform installed over the roof. But after paying the deposit, I was told by the installer that my snorkel isn't going to work with their backbone and then the platform with the standard 1500. I then asked, why can I put a 1300 platform on? And apparently that doesn't mount up. So they gave me no possible solutions, and it'd be nice if someone's got something they can share for me, because I would like to put one of those ensuite tents just up here, and to do that I need a roof rack and also max tracks and stuff as well. So nice and handy up there, and even a swag. So I would like a roof rack. So overall, I'm pretty stoked with this. It's early days of ownership for me. Even though it's a 10-year-old car, it's got so many luxuries that I'm just not used to. It's got like electric windows, dual side digital air conditioning. The cheapish entertainment system's awesome. The common rail response and auto gearbox just makes driving it heaps more enjoyable. So first camp will be a dirt bike this weekend, dirt bike camping trip, which will be a good shakedown. And then hopefully Cal and I will be getting away a lot this year. So fingers crossed it turns out to be a really easy pack it in, head away, come home, unpack it, and away we go. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. It'll be another little toy added to the ADV HQ channel. So if you're keen to see more of it, mixed amongst the dirt bikes and the jet skis and all the rest, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So until then, cheers, hooroo.